This is Bursa Uludağ, a magical world of white and silence. From above, everything gains meaning. Nature offers the purest form of freedom, and we realize this is not just a mountain, but a place where the soul is reborn. Join us on our journey to bring the traces of the past into the present. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, Perspektif Project Heritage and Perspektif Project Arts, and follow our Instagram accounts to be part of the fascinating stories of cultural heritage. Are you ready to reconnect with history in every video and post? Subscribe now and be part of this journey. See you in new adventures.